felicitate our trailblazers, the stellar Gregorians who have brought laurels in various fields. We are elated to have our ex-Gregorian with us who brought glory for the school in achieving top-notch career. I invite Gregorian Janvi Ahuja to proceed to the dais. Janvi Ahuja has recently cracked Rajasthan Judicial Services and ranked 104th in this examination. Loud round of applause for Janvi Ahuja. For honoring her, I request our illustrious guests to join together to present her with a token of our love and appreciation. DO sir would be handing over the certificates and the gift. Thank you, Janvi. I'm honored to unveil the achievements of the treasure of our school. Prabhakar has qualified the Indian Olympiad qualifier in mathematics with a score of 34. He has achieved All India rank 5th in an Academy National Scholarship Admission Test. In Iranian combinatories Olympiad, he is 1st in All India ranking and 26th in the international ranking. He is 14th in the international ranking in International Math Bowl, an online global competition for high school students across the world. Moving forward, I invite Gregorian Vansh Gehlot to receive the honors. He has secured 11th rank in the State Talent Search Examination organized by Rajasthan Board of Secondary Education. He is also a state-level chess and netball player. He is pursuing economics honors from Hindu College, Delhi University. Next, I would like to invite Gregorian Ayushma Sharma, the Student Council Secretary of our school. She has secured 91st rank in the State Talent Search Examination organized by RBSE. She has also bagged first position at school level in International Maths Olympiad and National Science Olympiad. Thank you, audience. Now let me unfold the names of academic achievers of the year who cleared in 2022-23. First, I invite Gregorian Sakina Malvi. She is from Science stream who scored 96.2%. She is now pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence from GITS. Thank you, Sakina. Now I invite Daksh Agarwal. He is from Commerce stream who secured 95.6%. He has cleared CA Foundation and is now doing CA Inter. Next, I call upon Gregorian Riddhi Manwani to receive the award. She is from Arts stream who secured 95.6% in the examination. Currently, she is pursuing Bachelor in Mass Media from Jai Hind College, Mumbai. She is also working with renowned directors, journalists, and aspires to become a fearless journalist. Next, I invite Gregorian Mubaraka Moiwala, the President Student Council, on the stage. She secured 94.6% in secondary school examination. Now I'll enroll the list of academic achievers of the year 2023-24. First, I invite Gregorian Samyak Chitora of Science stream who cleared his All India Senior Secondary School examination with 94.4%. His parent has come to receive the award. Next, I invite Gregorian Tanay Tathir of Commerce stream who secured 89.6% in AISSE. He has cleared CA Foundation and is currently doing CA Inter. Next, I invite Anushka Tuli of Arts stream who scored 96.2% in AISSCE. Currently, she is pursuing English honors from Hansraj College, Delhi University. Anushka Tuli's parents have come to receive the award. Next, I once again invite Gregorian Ayushma Sharma, the Secretary of the Student Council, on stage. She secured 97.4% in secondary school examination. Next, it's the time to unveil the names of achievers of NCC category. First, I invite Captain Latika Joshi. She is the participant in National Level Thal Sainik Camp in New Delhi. Next, I invite Lieutenant Captain Krishna Chauhan, who was also a participant in National Level Thal Sainik Camp in New Delhi. Next, I invite Cadet Devraj Singh Jhala, who participated in National Level Thal Sainik Camp in New Delhi. He is also a bronze medalist in the All India Sai Judo Championship in 2024. Dear audience, he knows judo. Let's have a loud round of applause for him. Next, I invite Cadet Divyan Singh Kitawat, who had the rare opportunity of participating in Republic Day Camp in New Delhi in January 23. He is also holding 40th rank in 10-meter pistol shooting. Now, I would like to announce the sports achievers of the session 2024-25. To begin with, I invite Vivena Jain, as she is representing Rajasthan in national level basketball tournament. She's a gold medalist in the state level basketball under 14 category. Her mother has come to receive the award. Next, I invite Gregorian Bhargavi Prashant. She is a gold medalist in state level basketball under 14 category. Now I invite Gregorian Yogesh Singh Rathore, who is a bronze medalist in state level judo tournament under 19 category. Now I invite Gregorian Kavish Singhvi. He is a silver medalist in state level badminton under 17 category. Next comes Priyam Malani, silver medalist in state level tournament in cricket. Our little champs are doing wonders. Next I call Gregorian Nimisha Kumawat, silver medalist in state level karate championship. She also participated in national level camp under 17 category. Now I would like to call Samar Singh, who is the silver medalist in CBSE national level tournament boxing under 19 category. Next on list is Vedansh Tang, who is a bronze medalist in CBSE national judo tournament under 19 boys. Vedansh is pursuing BTech from CS from GITS. BTech in CS from GITS. Next, Devar Sharma, who participated in national level camp in netball. Loud round of applause for the children. Audience. Last but not at all the least, once again I call Samar Singh, a gold medalist in state level boxing tournament under 17 category. Thank you, distinguished guests. I would request you to be seated.